Okay, let's rock this bitch.
Alright. Starting off with the light switch case, which you can take the screws out of if you'd like. I end up keeping it in just because, honestly. I'm using some soft air dry clay to form the teeth to the size that I want them to be so they're able to fit nicely. Top and bottom sets both done. The base is going to get the lips and mouth, so I've put down some gums of sorts, which will house the teeth soon enough. And add the start of the lips down the sides. To add the teeth, I'm simply scoring the clay, wetting the tooth and the spot that I just scored, and then placing it down and then pushing it in to make them one piece. Slowly adding more and more onto the lip area. And adding much thinner pieces around the side to act as the mouth skin. Continuing with texture on the lips and around the stretched skin. And letting that dry overnight. Once it's dry, I'm going to be adding some acrylic paint, a black on the inside to add obviously depth and to make it look like the inside of a mouth. a mixture of bubblegum pink and white for the inner lips. And a flesh color for, well, the outer flesh. Lastly, a yellow partially mixed with the white. I did not mix this fully because I wanted it to be a little bit separated for the yellowed out teeth. Once dried, it could be very well just left like this. I always add a layer or two of resin to all of my clay creations to give them more added stability and hardness. Just be sure that if this is a necessary step for you, that you avoid adding resin over top of these screws if those were left in. Again, you can take them out in the very beginning, but it gets a little bit harder once you start painting and adding clay. Finally, adding it onto my wall, I first wanted to take the cover off the wall as it had been painted on over and over again multiple times, so I struggled with that for a bit. The struggle is so fucking real. Got all of that done just in time to put it back on and then add the finished light cover that I've just completed over top. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.